Now I'm going to teach you how to get rid of watermarks on Palmpay. How to get rid of Palmpay watermarks on it. I'm using this as an example. I did a transaction to myself from my Palmpay account to my OPay account. If you look at the background, you see Palmpay is written on it, at the watermark at the back, Palmpay. Now, why? This is an embedded image and video taking. It's embedded image. Watermark is embedded in images and videos that you take using Palmpay app, like this one I took. You see the watermark at the back. Now this is just to identify the source of your media and to prevent unauthorized use. Now, but if you want to get rid of this watermark, you can easily use a watermark removal tool, which is watermark, for example, watermark removal of a tool used to remove it, watermark eraser. Or you can crop the image if it's at the edge, but as you can see, it is all over the background, so I can crop it to get rid of it. So I use a photo editing app like Adobe Photoshop. In this case, I don't have Adobe Photoshop, so what I can simply do is I can simply contact Palmpay support and ask them to remove it for me. Now the thing is this: if you remove the watermark, you are violating the terms of services of the app. So be very careful before you try to remove the watermark. Make sure you check the terms of services before you do that.